Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we shall discuss about Python variables and operators. So let's start with Python variables first. So variables are containers for storing data values. They can hold various types of data such as numbers, strings, or complex objects. For example, we have a variable name to store John, a variable name age to store a value 35, and a variable honest, which can be either true or false. Variable names are case sensitive and can consist of letters, numbers, and underscores. Python uses dynamic typing. It means you don't need to declare the variable type. It's automatically inferred from the value you assign. And variables can be reassigned to different values as needed. Let's see some examples of variables. For example, we have a variable student equal to 50. So this is an integer variable. And we can print it using print command. So this prints students equal to 50. Similarly, we can also have a string variable. For example, we have course name equal to intro to AI. And we can print it course name. So this will print intro to AI. Let's consider another example. Suppose you are working with a data set containing the prices of the houses. So here are a few house prices in $1,000 that we can store in the variable. For example, house price 1 equal to 250, house price 2 equal to 300, house price 3 equal to 180. So these variables could represent house prices in our data set. Let's talk about Python operators. So we have arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and remainder operator. These operators allow us to perform mathematical operations on our variables. For example, let's say we want to calculate the average house price. So we can use addition and division operator. So average price will be equal to house price 1, house price 2, house price 3 divided by 3. And we can print average price. We did not execute this cell. So let's execute it first. And now execute this one. Average price of the houses is $243.3 thousand. So in this code, we use addition and division operator to calculate average house price. Let's see another example. Suppose you want to apply a discount of 5% to all the house prices. We can use multiplication operator for this task. So we say house price 1 equal to house price 1 minus house price 1 multiplied by 0.05. Similarly, we can write the prices for house price 2 and 3. We just need to revise 1 to 2 and 3. And we can also print it, say print discounted prices are house price 1, house price 2, house price 3. If we execute, we say these are the discounted prices. Here you can see we use the house price 1 twice to apply the discount. Instead of using this one, we can also use Python assignment operator. Let's see how to do that. So we can say house price 1 minus equal to house price 1 multiplied by 0.05. So this statement is exactly the same as this statement. However, this code is more concise and it works the same way as the previous example. And that's a wrap on today's tutorial on Python variables and basic operators. We have learned how to define variables, use basic operators, and even make our code more efficient with assignment operators. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you like, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning Python. Thanks for watching and happy coding.